Hello, my name is Ania. I will show you how to make an alligator page that starts a big new project, ABC Quiet Book. Alligator has movable teeth, legs and spikes. Let's start it. We will need hard felts in 8 colors, threads in the same colors, scissors, finishing markers, white mullein, needle with a large hole, felt glue and clips. Prepare patterns with the titles ABC Quiet Book, Alligator Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, 4 and base page. Cut out these patterns. Put this pattern on green felt. Outline with a vanishing marker. Also the inner shape. And cut it out. Put this pattern on head. Outline the inner shapes. And save for later. Cut out these patterns. Put patterns on right felts. Outline. Put these white patterns on the alligator's head in places that we have prepared earlier. Sew it with white thread. Secure the ends of threads. Cut them off. Insert the needle into the place where you started and finished sewing. Insert the ends of the threads into the needle hole. And pull down. Make 2 loops. And one more time. And cut off. Put these blue patterns in these places. Sew it with blue thread. Put black patterns in the center. Sew it with black thread. Prepare white mullein. Insert end of mullein into the hole of the needle. Pull down. Brings the end together. And make a knot. Cut off the ends. Insert from the bottom and pull the needle all the way out. Make a single loop embroidery as I show and insert needle into the same place and pull down. Cut the ends, make loop. And cut off. Cut out this pattern. Put this pattern on black felt, outline with a vanishing marker, and cut it out. Put patterns in the places that we have prepared and sew it with black thread. Cut out these patterns. Put them on red and white felts, outline, and cut it out. Apply glue on the top of mouth. Put teeth on mouth here so that they are overlap, and press down. Put mouth and teeth under the head here and fasten it with clips. Sew it along the edge with green thread. Cut the excess felt behind the seam. Let's prepare the base page. Cut out these patterns. Put this pattern on pink felt, outline with a vanishing marker, and cut it out. Put this pattern on base page and outline the inner shapes. And save it for later. Cut out these patterns. Put patterns on the right felt and outline. And cut it out. Put the legs on this pattern so that they overlap. Apply some glue on the top, and at the very top put the belly so that they overlap with the paper pattern. Attach the legs and belly together with clips. And do the same with the spikes. Put the belly, legs and spikes on the base page at the marked place and sew it with green thread. Put this pattern on the belly, here, and sew it with light green thread. Put A on the base page at the marked place and sew it with light green thread. Don't forget about the inner shape. Put head on the marked place and sew it with green thread. The alligator page is ready. Thank you for your present and see you next time. Bye bye!